Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address associated with your Candy Crush Saga account. To change the email address in Candy Crush Saga, you'll need to go ahead and sign into Candy Crush Saga with your King account. Launch open the Candy Crush Saga application to get started and tap on the My Account button. Now, if you've recently signed in using the King account, you can easily change the email address associated with it. Click on the Edit button right under your email, and then in the Email tab, type in the new email address you want to change to. After typing down the email, click on Save Changes. Now enter your current password for your King account on the next page to verify that it's you who's making the change. Finally, click on Submit, and that way, you should be able to change your email address associated with Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.